just released lately is something bizarre. Shiba Inu dev team single-handed script flip. Perhaps our solutions are here today. Analysts are stepping in. Next week, Shiba Inu will be something huge, and its price might alter everything. What's going on? And what on earth am I even debating? Allow me to clarify then. Welcome to Dr. Crypto, your daily serving of Shiba. This is the spot for you if you're curious about anything related to Shiba. If you want to keep informed about all the latest news forecasts and stay ahead of the crypto industry, subscribe. To get more SHIB news, be sure to click the like button. Today, Shiba Inu had a little stir-up and dropped a rapid correction that took some traders off surprise. But suppose what? That decline was temporary. Shiba Inu recovered over the day, proving exactly how powerful this momentum really is, like a genuine powerhouse. And now it becomes interesting. If you enlarge and see the whole image, this week has been rather remarkable. Shiba Inu is still holding high and flaunting an amazing gain that leaves investors feeling excited even with that little retreat. The general state of the society. Simple energy. Holders are more than simply confident. They thrill. People increasingly believe Shiba Inu is more than simply another token for pump and dump. It is developing into something even more grandy. People are looking forward, not just at daily charts. Whales are engaged in their natural behavior. Knowing that this journey is far from over, regular investors are staying firm, however. That type of resiliency continues proving Shiba Inu more than just hype. It falls then rises more powerfully each time. And that's precisely the reason so many people think this protest is just getting began. Here is where things become even more wild. Shiba Inu had not just a great day. It really outperformed the major crypto players. Correct is what I mean. Shiba Inu was taking the stage, demonstrating once again that it's an edge to be reckoned with while Bitcoin and Ethereum were doing their thing. Shiba Inu reported more long-term holdings than each Bitcoin and Ethereum. That is really significant. Most Shiba Inu owners are not here for rapid flips. On-chain data supports this. They are committed to long-term. Seeing the vision, they have faith in what is to come, and they are not letting go. For many years, Bitcoin has set the trend for the whole crypto market. Most assets follow its example. But Shiba Inu is beginning to deviate from that norm. It's not only surfing the wave, it's forging its own road. The figures do not lie. Many Shiba Inu owners have been keeping strong for more than a year, unwilling to be let go even when the marketplace throws curveballs. Furthermore, that percentage, actually, it's rising. While Ethereum's long-term holder count has somewhat dropped, Shiba Inu's numbers are only rising. Such type of commitment speaks everything. It is more than simply hype. It is assurance. One feels that the future of this coin is more vast than anybody could have dreamed. Shiba Inu serves many purposes than just entertainment value. Here dominates, but here's the important point. Though that seems ridiculous, hear me out. Even more crazy just occurred today. The Shiba Inu team unleashed some really big surprises that have the whole community talking. For background, Satoshi Kusama hasn't made any form of social media appearances quite recently. His disappearance spurred many forms of conjecture. He is wherever. On what is he working on? Is anything huge approaching? If uncertainties abound among the community, now it seems as if the Shiba Inu developers has at last cleared the air. Would want the whole information? Make sure you stay around until the very last section of the video, as I will dissect everything in the latter half. Let us first hear this wild forecast made by one expert first, however. One of the leading market analysts has made a really bold Shiba Inu forecast, and if that comes to pass, things are going to go insane. This professional claims that Shiba Inu is about to break through and might fly to its best since last December. The explanation is finally set to give way as a large falling channel keeping prices down for months, and when that occurs, history shows us that prices often soar. Shiba Inu has lately started rewriting the story. It struggled with some negative momentum, then turned bullish, putting together many days of steady increase, something we have not seen in months. Analyzers have been waiting for just that momentum change. With Shiba Inu pressing right up against the top resistance of this future pattern, one well-known market observer noted that the price movement on the charts is displaying notable power. Should it pass through, the action may be really large. And get this, another expert claims the breakthrough has occurred. Shiba Inu, they think, has formally emerged from its declining wedge shape, and things can quicken as volume increases. If Shiba Inu continues closing above important moving averages, there is even conjecture that it might soar to heights not seen in a long time. This isn't only flimsy hype. Technical signals line up, momentum is growing, and market confidence is rising. Should this breakout go as expected, we may be looking at a significant run that greatly elevates Shiba Inu's profile once again. And here's something that could liven this Shiba Inu celebration even more. Satoshi Kusama, the enigmatic chief developer, has been away from social media for some time, and the community has been humming with conjecture. He's where? Underneath the scenes, what is happening? Some even began to worry, but right now we at last have some answers. Vet Kusama, a main Shiba Inu team player, recently intervened to calm the atmosphere. He reassured everyone that just the reverse, that nothing is wrong, is indeed the case. He claims that there is absolutely no cause for worry. Everything is proceeding just as expected. Though Satoshi may be down, the behind-the-scenes effort hasn't paused for a second. Actually, it appears like something really large is developing. Vet Kusama even sought permission to let the Shiba Inu community know a few things, tagging Satoshi and his right-hand creator, Cult Area. Neither of them answered, however, which heightens the mystery. Then there is Lucy, Shiba Inu's social media head. She joined in with her own tiny tease, suggesting Satoshi could be preoccupied developing the Shibarium ecology. She even responded to a mysterious post with a Shiba Inu-headed figure in a cloak sprinting out to create the next great thing. Her reaction was while immediately naming Satoshi, "Let's drink coffee first," in a lighthearted manner. Though in theory this sort of statement looks benign, in fact it has hidden significance. It implies that something big is in development, and that, should Satoshi eventually make a comeback, we may get some revolutionary information. Here right now, things start to become really interesting. Should this occur and Satoshi return with a significant update dropped, it might cause Shiba Inu to enter another explosive surge. Realistically, it wouldn't be the initial time either. We have seen it somewhere previously. The market responds swiftly every time Satoshi makes significant disclosures. Prices soar, enthusiasm runs wild, and suddenly everyone understands Shiba Inu isn't just another meme currency. It is a movement. And should this movement really take off, what then? Perhaps even another all-time high, we might be looking at something enormous. For the owners who have been methodically piling and trusting in the long run, consider what that would entail. It transforms your life. Those who persevered through the quiet times, through the downturns and corrections, may at last see their perseverance pay off in the largest sense. And if history guides us, the market listens when Satoshi talks. Actually, this might all happen even sooner than anticipated. Shiba Inu may be preparing for a large 12x surge, according to analysts, and the data support that view as more reasonable by the day. The distributed exchange of the ecosystem, SHIBASWAP, has been totally explosive. As more individuals enter the ecosystem, trading volume has soared, total value locked has skyrocketed, and liquidity pools are expanding. This is not only platitudes in random order. On-chain activity is demonstrating a rising Shiba Inu demand, and fewer tokens are on hand to purchase as exchange reserves dry up. That is a timeless formula for a supply constraint. And in such cases, pricing might change quickly, and experts have seen much more on the charts, a classic cup and handle structure developing. Should history repeat itself, it is a clear sign of an explosive breakthrough. Leading strategist Shiba Inu, Lucy, is also supporting this optimistic view, implying that the upward potential might be much more than most would consider. Looking at Fibonacci levels, another researcher finds the same result. Shiba Inu are ready for a significant relocation, hence this rally could just be starting. Shiba Inu is not only looking powerful, but also relentless as momentum grows, trade supply contracts, and technical indicators are all blazing green. Should this breakthrough materialize, we are not only discussing a little boost. This might be among the largest and most fascinating demonstrations we have seen in a long run. Nevertheless, what do you think of this? Please find comments below. The day is over now. Remember to give it a big thumbs up. To see our most recent material, share it and subscribe to the channel.